Store owners have now got the ability to add and update products. The last step is to give them the ability to delete products. There's no template required for this. All we need is a URL and a view. Let's start with the URL, since all we have to do is copy the edit URL and change everything to delete. Now moving to the view, it'll be just like the edit view in that it'll take the request and the product ID to be deleted, but this one won't require a post handler. We can start by getting the product just like we do above with getObject or 404. And then we'll just call product.delete, add a success message, and redirect back to the products page. In this way, whenever someone makes a request to products/delete/some product ID, that product will be deleted. I'm going to make a small change to the Add Product view here also. It's a bit annoying to have to search for a product after adding it, so I'm going to change the view so that instead of redirecting to the Add Product page once the product is added, we instead redirect to that product's detail page like the Edit view does. To do that, we can just store the product when calling form.save, and then update the redirect URL to product detail, sending along the product's ID. With that done, let's test this out by first adding a product and then calling our delete view. I'll add a new product and give it a description and a price. And once we're redirected to the product's detail page, we can see the ID in the URL. Now I'll just change the URL to products/delete with this product ID, and we're redirected back to the products page with a notification that the product was deleted. With all the add, update, and delete functionality working, we need to give store owners a way to quickly edit or delete a product. I'm going to add edit and delete links in two places. First on the product cards on the All Products page, and second on the product detail pages. Let's start with the products template. Right after the rating, I'll add an if statement to determine if the user is a super user, and if so, we'll render two small links for editing and deleting products. Now I'll copy this and add it under the rating in the product detail template as well. Navigating to the All Products view now, and checking out the updated product details, we can see the new links are there. Keep in mind there's no confirmation when deleting a product, so be careful not to delete something accidentally. If you want to test it out, just add a product first. Though we've completed all the user stories at this point, there are two things that remain to be done before we can deploy. We need to add some security to restrict our add, edit, and delete views to only super users, and then we need to tidy up that image field on the add product form. I'm going to commit my changes for this one, and we'll do both of those over the next few videos.